Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be looking at question 1, part B here. It says, determine the function of x given that the function of 1 equals the natural log of 32. Well, we're only told in the question that the function of the derivative, the f dash of x, equals 4x over x squared plus 3. Now we need to find the f of x, and so we need to integrate this. So if we do the antiderivative of this, now therefore the function will be, and because we've got a denominator to the power of 1, we integrate this by bringing that to be the natural log of x squared plus 3 divided by the derivative of this bracket here, and the derivative of that bracket is divided by the derivative of that bracket, which is 2x, so we have to divide by 2x. And that's convenient because the x's will cancel, the 2 will cancel, and because we're integrating we have to put plus c because we don't know what that constant was. And so what we've got here is that the function will be 2 the natural log of x squared plus 3 plus a c. Now how to find c? We go to that extra piece of information, and it said that the function of 1 equals the natural log of 32. If we substitute 1 into that equation, we'll get the natural log of 32. So let's do that. Let's substitute 1 in here, 1 squared plus 3 plus a constant. We've got the natural log of 32 equals 2 the natural log of 4 plus that constant. Now, if I took, therefore, c equals, and I leave the natural log of 32 and take away 2 ln of 4, that is our constant, but let's simplify that. The log of 32 minus, and this is the natural log of 4 squared. So we bring that 2 up into that position. That's an index log law. And that means the natural log of 16. And the natural log of 32 minus the natural log of 16 equals the natural log of, and this is because it's a minus, we have to divide 32 by 16. The log of m minus the log of n equals the log of m over n, and therefore we've got the natural log of 2, and that is what our constant is. We know our constant, therefore our final solution, what is the function? The function is 2 natural log of x squared plus 3, and then we add natural log of 2. Now look, we could simplify all of that if you like, because plus 2, we could say that's the natural log of x squared plus 3 squared. Take that 2 up and put it in that position, plus the natural log of 2, and then finally the natural log of, and because you've got a plus here, we would multiply 2 times x squared plus 3 all squared, and there it is. That is the function of x. Therefore, the function of x is equal to, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.